Trevor is going to get gas for the buggies and the truck. We fixed to get ready to start burning at the farm today. Weather's been real touchy for us, but we got great weather today, great humidity, and we're gonna light some stuff on fire. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here to the dove field. We've got a fire break that they pushed around there. We're gonna run the John Deere through it and break that ground up so we got a good fire break. We don't want that fire to get out into the planted pines. They're not ready to be burnt yet. And get ready. And then we're gonna jump down and burn a big section of blue stem that's got a bunch of pines in it too around it and try to get it cleaned up. We're starting to get a lot of volunteer pines in the blue stem and switchgrass bedding area that we created up here, and try to get it back under control and get these volunteer pines and all that in it. So we got a couple good burns we're gonna try to get in today. As long as the humidity holds, hopefully we'll get some good fires. We need them. Always something. I'm going to cut another one up here with me, and then I'm going to go from there and burn from the northwest down to the creek through that thinning, and we'll just let it burn to the creek. If it jumps the creek, it ain't going to hurt nothing because all that on the other side needs to be turned, but if it does, I'll come run that break on the other side if it needs to, but I don't think it will. And then we'll go from there, and I'm fixing to go, once I get these plowed, I'm going to go to Big Oak and plow that section around that and we'll burn. And there's probably 2 or 3 little burns we'll do in there, but we'll get that big one done first, and then we'll look at doing the other ones in there. There's 1 or 2 spots there was real thick grass going around the dove field, and you can burn it and he can blow it back. And with Jacob and Lance too, I mean, we got enough people, we should be able to west the ride through and light, leave a couple people back, let one person go with him to the next one. And we won't get too far ahead, but we'll make sure we get a good burn on it. And I don't want to do the Big Oak until we get, you know, multiple people down there, because that's going to be the fun one to burn on.
Ride these fire breaks.
We'll light here. I did that break around because I was going to try to burn these yesterday, but I got tied up anyway. So we'll burn that little section we burned last year, and then we can light the other side of the brake and run it all the way back toward the driveway. And that'll, if the brake's cut all the way around it, all the way to the connector road from the driveway to the northwest.
So you're going to burn all this too?
Yep, all this is gonna burn too.
What's that fire break come out?
That road way over there to the northwest.
I got you.
You ride it all the way around. And a lot of that, like where them kitties come up in the pines and all, there's not a lot of fuel in them, so they probably ain't gonna do a whole lot. Plus you got them big old massive ditches in there we're gonna have to worry about. But it's probably not gonna carry real well across them ditches in there.
Burn them pines right there.
No. We are moving a camera out of the burn area, but we're gonna turn it around and put it where it's facing the burn area and let the Spartan give us some good pictures of it, hopefully.
Give it a little bit to get off this building.
Hopefully we'll scorch some of these pines.
Alright, last one of the day. Grand finale burn right here.
About to get hot. I love switchgrass.
Game on.